Learn Kiswahili. Together, pamoja. We are together. Tuko pamoja. They are together. Wako pamoja. Let's eat together. Tule pamoja. Let's go together. Twende pamoja. We are not together. Hatuko pamoja. They are not together. Hawako pamoja. They went home together. Walienda nyumbani pamoja. They ate together. Walikula pamoja. Let's sleep together. Tulale pamoja. Please go to YouTube, search Mwalimu Hezron and subscribe to my YouTube channel.